Wow, we're doing an unboxing of a Canon, and I forget what it is. I think it's a GH70 maybe? I don't remember. So let's find out what's in here. Hang on a second, let's turn this way so you guys can see a little better. Alright, some paper we don't need. A light, you know, I bought one of these before for the GoPro and I never used it, so whatever that is, I don't know. A memory card. Well, it's not super fast, but it's not terribly slow, but you probably won't open that right away either. We have a wide-angle lens. We have a telephoto lens. We have, we'll never use these. 6-piece color filter set. They'll never be used. More filters. What are these for? No idea. Charger, that we'll use, although it looks like it goes in a vehicle, so who knows about that. This is battery, or is it 2 batteries? I think that's 2 batteries, right? Looks like 2 batteries to me. Where's one big battery? Oh, it could be one big battery. Oh yeah, it's a big battery, because there's another. This is something I rarely do, is clean lenses. This is another tripod, very small tripod, 12 inches, not sure about that. This is a bag. I mean, if everything fits in there, maybe. This is a HDMI cable, which may or may not use that. This is a, what is this? This is a micro reader, so it takes micro SD cards. Why would they give you that if you don't actually use micro cards? That's something we'll never use, a memory card holder. I don't use lens caps, so I won't use that. There is the actual camera. Oops, wait, something else in here, hold on. Nope, look at that, I bought the renewed one, so we'll see how that works out. Alright, let's put that there. So this is the actual camera here. Let's see. It's a Canon HG70, whatever that means. Not really sure. I've been trying to use the Nikons for video, mainly action video, and I just don't think they're cutting it. So we're going to give this thing a whirl. Bunch of stuff we'll never look at. That there. Packaging. Confusing. Alright, so that's a lens hood. We'll probably use that. That's a power cord. Probably use that. So let's put the stuff we know we're going to use in this big box here. This is a charger. I don't need that. Oh, wait, that's not a charger. Oh, yeah, I guess it is a charger. There's another battery here. That one we'll probably use, although it looks smaller than these other batteries. Look at that. Why is that? It's like half the capacity of the other ones they give you. Interesting. This is the actual camera. So the $4 question is, how do you charge this thing up? Does it only charge? It's got to be like a charger, wouldn't you think? It's bigger than I thought it would be. It's fairly large. So, how do we charge up this? This must plug into that. But how do you get the actual... There's got to be a way to charge this thing other than just plug it in the camera, right? What do you think? You tell me I got to read the instructions? Apparently I may have to. Oh wait, there's this other charger here. We might need this charger here. We might actually need this. Hold on a minute. Let's see what this is all about. Yes, this we may need. I usually don't send stuff back, but if this thing doesn't do what I need it to do, it's gonna go back. All right, so that's a charger there. So it must have a vehicle charging component. So let's see if we could charge this up. All right, so I'm gonna turn this off and come back to you guys later once we get this thing charged up. So hang on. All right, so it's been quite a while. That thing still is not, battery isn't charged up yet. So we're gonna plug this thing into AC power and see what happens here. So let's pop in a SD cards, go into, that thing slides up. Let's put it in B as in Bob. So you turn this thing on. How do you even turn it on? Oh, camera. There we go. It's talking. What does this say? It is August. Oops. Nope, it's not August. September. No, it's October 3rd. 23. And it is not that time. Can you not change PM? What do we want, the year? What do you think you want, the year? Or do we, let's go with 24-hour clock. There we go, that's better. Let's hit okay on that. Memory card is in B. Okay, we'll do that. What does it matter that it's in B? All right, let's put it in A then, if that makes it happier. Yes, I should have read the manual, but I haven't. Wait, we don't want that. So how do we know what setting this thing is in? It looks like it's on 4K, AFI, functions. Well, you know what this means. I'm gonna have to just go and fool around with it now because I don't know what any of this means. Probably take out the lens cap might help. Let's try that. I mean, it's definitely big and heavy, I gotta say that. Yeah, it focuses relatively close. It's definitely, it's gonna be hard to hold with one hand like I'm used to doing here. So, I'm not sure what that means. There's a little red thing up there. All right, we're gonna have to go fool around with this thing. So, stay tuned, I'll be back. Thanks for watching. I get the feeling this camera's gonna have a hard life. I don't know why I say that. Ooh, jeez. But I just think it is. Like all my stuff. It's gonna be well used. What's going on here? So I'm trying to charge it up while I'm driving here because apparently it didn't charge. So we're gonna hit this menu button. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna go over to here to number 2. And then we're gonna go here. 2. Look at that. Now why doesn't it let me do face tracking and all that stuff? Initialize. So we want to erase disk 2. I know that's bad to just do what I did, but I did it anyway. What is it? What was that? Maybe that was disc 1. No, that was disc 2. Doesn't seem to like this one SD card, however. I don't know why it's mad at me. What's going on here? I mean, you know, wasn't a cheap card to buy, pro grade. So let's pop it in the other slot and see what it does over there. Why is it mad? I'm not sure why it won't let me initialize that card. For some reason, it doesn't like this memory card. Why? Let's see if it'll record. Memory card door is open. Okay. I'm gonna go back to menu, down to here, go to there. Oh wait, I gotta go up. Alright, so somebody, someday, needs to make this stuff. Gosh. Yes, I want to erase everything. Why are you making this so hard on me? My word, just erase already. You know, I understand why they do it, but at the same time, it's going to drive you nuts. Alright, so let's turn this thing off. I don't actually want to record to that particular card first, so I'm going to put that in slot B. Tried to get some video of my cat when I was leaving, but she wasn't cooperating. So, here we're going to close that little door, close that, see if this thing charges up. Alright, I got to hit the road because I'm going to be late. So, jeez. You know, it's nice to get new equipment, but man, it's a pain trying to figure this stuff out on the fly. So, alright, stay tuned. See how this goes. I'm off to sports later.